Hey guys, how's it going? Kato from Kato Hotel Tours. We are here at the Pim Plaza Hotel in Ocean City, Maryland. Our fourth hotel on this week-long Ocean City adventure. This is a room with a one double bed, and this place isn't that nice to be honest. Um, it's not worth 146 for one night. It's not worth it. I'm gonna tell you guys that up straight up front. We got our, lovely fire map. So there's that. Older door. Security is good. Okay, we got this switchable light. Just checked in here, so I'm exploring. Can't show you the address because we've got this old phone. We do have these newer, I don't do the alarm clock, but have these newer lamps here with the outlets, so, that's nice. We got our mini fridge. Expected. Mini fridge does look clean, I'll give them that. We got our 32-inch Element TV. It's just not weird if you're in the hotel business, you'll see this LG and Samsung's not programmed LG TV program Samsung. Sorry about that, guys. Programmed hotel TV special TVs made for the hotel business. It's just a one-word TV, but I'm sure it will. I'm sure it will work great. Here's our closet area. All our sprinkler systems here are rusty. That peeling up there. Peeling up there. I mean, yes, this place is old. No doubt about it. It's just, I don't know. If you guys could smell it. This is our second room here. If you guys could smell in here. Our first room reeked like mold so bad we had to move. So there's that. Here's our switches for the bathroom. Ready to see the world's tiniest bathroom? Boom, here it is. The world's smallest bathroom. Cram in here. Got our bath amenities. Sup? Hair dryer. Got dial soap. I can appreciate that. Okay. Here's your bath amenities. Rusty sprinkler. Tub looks clean. Caulking looks good. I will give them that. This does appear to be a jetted tub. Old school towel rack holder. Linens don't feel like they're a little more. That's what it is. Let's see if the jacuzzi tub actually works. Jacuzzi tub does not work. Even this room still smells like bleach. A little musty. Bath amenities. So here's our AC unit. Does a job in a small room. I just don't know, guys. I don't really see. This is not worth 164 bucks. I don't know. One double bed. So there's that. The bed does look pretty attractive, so I will give them that. Is it clean though? That's what we need to see. They give you nice large pillows. Pillows does seem nice. I'll give them some points for that. Pillows look good. So there's that. Smells like bleach in here and mildew. Sheets actually are pretty nice quality. What we got here? Fudge. Got whatever that is. Cut that off. What we got? Let's see where I'm pointing. We got something. Just a lot. I don't know what that is. A lot of black spots in bed. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about all this stuff in the bed here. What do you guys think? Comment in the comment section below. What do you think's in this bed? Got some peeling wallpaper right there. Shit. Yeah, this bed's dirty. I don't know. The lobby seems to be remodeled. Yeah, it's like a nice size outdoor pool. You can see right there. Nice bar outside. 3 outdoor hot tubs. All the amenities are good. Lobby's renovated. Staff are nice. Honest, I don't know. We do have a newer mattress. Give them that. Friday night, 100 in May. It is actually May 27th. On Friday, May 27th. $164. Don't think it's worth it. If I waited to book, I booked this on Expedia. If I waited to book today, the hotels dropped their prices and go stay somewhere probably better. So, I want to say this place is worth the money. It is an older hotel. I don't know. Carpet kind of looks worn. So, I know there might be some people that might roast me in the comments. Saying they love this place, they've been coming here for years. Fair, but it's not my cup of tea. It's just really musty in here. I couldn't imagine staying in here more than one night, to be honest. So, amenities are good, staff is nice, not pressed the room. So, see it for yourself here. Give honest reviews, and it is right on the boardwalk. I think we're on 2nd Street. Give you a little tour of the hallway, I suppose. Just look at these 344 wide. Look at these doors. Just, at least give these a paint job here. Wallpaper. Could be some renos in here, but it smells like grandma's house. So, can't say I recommend this hotel. I don't know what else. It could just be fuzz in the bed. I don't know. So, I'm going to look into that more. So, I stayed in places with bed bugs before, but can't really confirm that till I do a better inspection. Yeah. So this has been a full. This has been the hotel tour of the Penn Plaza Hotel in Ocean City, Maryland. Do one more pan of the room. Boom. Alright. Checkout is before 11. I'm just stepping here and there's a dip in the floor. Anyway, it's our small bathroom. So, that's all I got for you guys. Last hotel in a week. We're supposed to stay till last Sunday, and we are here until tomorrow morning. So, it's been quite a trip. Thank you guys for watching these videos and subscribing and the notification bell, and I appreciate it. And just keep getting the channel subs up. And yeah. KW out.
I'll call you to make sure you Hey guys, how's it going? KW, alright. So I just want to give you a update about the plaza. Older property. Room needs some updates. The lobby isn't bad. Okay. The lobby isn't bad. Staff weren't too bad there. I know I'm probably get roasted in the comments. But I know some people might be really loyal and been staying at that hotel for years. Which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. As it says, I just can't recommend it. So you guys spend your money there to tell the update. Which I think they are renovating the rooms. Because my buddy had a room there as well on the 5th floor. And I saw a hotel room just open, and it looks like you were renovating that room. So it looks like renovations are coming to Plaza. So that's good. I mean, the location's pretty good on the boardwalk. Definitely will give them that. And location's good on the boardwalk, close to the rides, Jolly Rogers. Their pool bar's not bad. They don't have a happy hour, which sucks, but prices weren't too terrible. They got the 3 outdoor jacuzzis and a pretty nice size, good size outdoor pool. So they're good on amenities. Update the rooms. Smells like mildew. Other than I can't recommend Penn Plaza. But if you guys like staying there, and that's your guys' opinion. This is my opinion. I always give you nothing but the real experience, my real review, my real thoughts and impressions. So that's my update. I just wanted to clarify a little bit more about that place. But I'm back here at work now, so I give you a little update on my final thoughts of the Plymouth Plaza Hotel in Ocean City, Maryland. Housekeeping could be improved as well, and just it would do itself some good with some updates and get that melty smell out of the room. So both rooms had it. So I don't think it's worth spending your money there when you have other options. I mean, if you want to be close on the boardwalk and you just want a place to crash for the night, could be worth it. So I don't know. The location's good. In the bar. It's pretty cool. So that's all that hotel has value for me. So I will go stay somewhere else. Unless if you want the good location on a boardwalk close to the rides and stuff, you can stay somewhere else for the price. So with that being said, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll keep giving you my honest reviews on hotels I review. And with that being said, KW out.